Why do your joints crack? Ah, that satisfying crack. But have you ever wondered why your joints make that noise? Some people think it's bones rubbing together, but that's not true. Inside your joints, there's a fluid that keeps them moving smoothly. When you stretch or pull them, tiny gas bubbles form and pop. That pop is the sound you hear. And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't harm your joints, but it might annoy people around you. So, crack away. Just don't do it in a silent room. Like and subscribe for more mind-popping facts.